Welcome back everyone. So today I'm going to be showing you how you can delete your LinkedIn account permanently. But before we start, I want to invite you to click the link in the description below to learn how you can start making money on LinkedIn while attracting leads and opportunities with your personal brand. Back to today's video. The very first thing you want to do is to make sure that you are logged into your LinkedIn account and you are within your LinkedIn homepage, which looks like this. Once you're here, what you want to do is to head over to the top right, click on the Me drop down button over here, and head over to Settings and Privacy. Once you're within Settings and Privacy, you can take a look at the left and you can see all the different sections of the Settings and Privacy page over here. What you want to do is to click on Account Preferences, which you will be automatically be on, and it is highlighted in green once you have selected it. Once you're on Account and Preferences, scroll all the way down to the bottom of the page and you will be within Account Management. Within Account Management, you have now two options. You can click on Hibernate Account or you can click on Close Account. So in this instance, we are going to be clicking on Close Account and you're going to go through a series of checks and questions that LinkedIn is going to propose over to you. So over here, they're going to say, "We're sorry to see you go. Just a quick reminder, closing your account means you'll lose touch with your connections. What you want to do if you really want to close your account is to click on Continue." And over here, they are going to ask you the reason for closing your account. So let's say, for example, I'm going to click on Other and I'm going to click Next. And then they are going to ask you to please provide a little more information to help us improve. And this is actually mandatory to fill in over here. So if you have nothing to say, you can just put NIL as in nil and you can click on Next. So over here, for the last step, you will be prompted to enter your LinkedIn account password in order to close this account. You will also have the option to click on this checkbox here. Once you click on it, it would unsubscribe you from all LinkedIn email communications, including any invitations. Once you're done, and once you click the Done button right at the bottom after you have entered your password, you will have officially closed and deleted your LinkedIn account permanently. But if you would like to give LinkedIn a second chance, I have a special link in the description below at 50% off, which will help you transform your LinkedIn account into an income generating asset while building a global and personal brand that people trust. With over 20,000 positive student reviews, you will be getting the best LinkedIn secrets as you get to learn from the #1 ranked global LinkedIn creator who has generated millions of dollars from LinkedIn. Click the link in the description below and I'll see you in the next video.